Atkins Civil 3D video series, Water 3C, construct water labels and services. This video illustrates A. Water pipe fitting and valve labels, B. Add fire hydrants, C. Construct water service defaults, and D. Create water service system. Plan and profile labels are used to indicate the desired station, offset, and elevation for the location of each fitting. In pressure pipes and fittings, the centerline elevation is used in lieu of invert elevation in the profile label. At times, labels are omitted where the location of the fitting is not critical and for smaller diameter pipe less than 12 inches. Due to the high cost of fittings and difficulty of installation, it is critical to show the label data for pipes greater than 18 inches for construction staking and contractor's information. The pressure pipe property should be set to automatically display the label when pipes and fittings are created in plan view and when fittings are drawn in profile view. Pick a pipe. In the context-sensitive ribbon, Network Properties, Layout, Pressure Pipe Plan Label Style, see Water Plan, Fitting Plan Label Style, see Water Plan. Profile, Fitting Profile Label Style, see Water Profile. OK. To change the reference station in a label, pick the Fitting, right-click, Fitting Properties, Referenced Alignment, Kin Crown or other alignment, OK. Apply, OK. The reference alignment for the fitting is changed now to reference Kin Crown. In profile view, it would be better to have the station reference 47th north. Pick the fitting, right click, fitting properties, pick the current, 47th north, OK. Apply, OK. In lieu of including labels for valves, the T label is generally modified to include the valve in the label. Pick the label, right click, edit label text, you press enter to start a new line, and type in 2 8-inch gate valves. OK. Labels are used in profile for the station and elevation at vertical pipe joint deflection. Annotate ribbon, add labels, feature, pressure pipe network, label type, single pressure part profile, pressure pipe label style, station elevation start or end where needed, add, pick the pipe, escape. Sometimes profile labels are shown with the correct information, but on the wrong profile view. Pick the label, pick the square glyph, and move label to the desired location. Escape. The length of sloping pipe between fittings is generally shown in profile to assist the contractor in field cutting the pipe to the correct length required to install the fittings at the desired horizontal and vertical locations. In the Add Labels dialog box, pressure pipe label style, see water profile length, add, pick the pipe, escape, pick the label, and use the square glyph to move the label to the desired location. Escape. For some unknown reason, the arrowhead points to the 45-degree slope line and not to the pipe. The arrowhead can only be moved along the alignment. To correct this, use Properties palette to change the note style to see water profile length no leader stack text. Escape. Add leader, QL, pick Q leader, pick desired location for leader, and draw leader. Escape. MA, enter to start match properties command, pick other leader, pick current leader. Escape. In lieu of having a separate label style for each type of fitting, the nominal diameter description of the fitting is used in the seawater plan and the seawater profile label. In order for the label to appear as desired, the nominal diameter description is modified in the content catalog. As indicated in video Water 1A, be very careful in making any changes to the content catalog. Changes should only be made to the description and to the nominal diameter description. The nominal diameter description has been modified to reduce its length and to include the type of fitting: bend, T, and cross. The degree symbol and quotation marks normally used for the inch symbol cannot be used in the description. Inch symbol, 2 apostrophes are used. After any changes are made in the content catalog, save the catalog. To incorporate any changes made in the content catalog into a label, the current object has to be deleted and recreated. Delete. Pick the pipe. In the context-sensitive ribbon, Edit Network, Plan Layout Tools, 6x25 bin, Add Fitting, hover over pipe until Connect glyph appears and pick. Pick Label and move to the desired location. Escape. Pick Label, move cursor right-click, edit label text, depress Enter, start a new line, vertical. OK. Pick Fitting, right-click, draw parts in profile view, pick the appropriate profile view, pick Label, and move to desired location. Escape. Place fire hydrant block at desired intersections. I enter to start insert command, name, water fire hydrant. Insertion point, place check mark and specify on screen. Leave unchecked for scale, rotation, and explode. OK. Pick location at an intersection. At present, the fire hydrant is not connected to anything. CO enter to start the copy command. Pick the fire hydrant, enter. Pick on or near the fire hydrant, and pick at other intersections. Escape when finished. Pick water pipe. In the context-sensitive ribbon, Edit Network, Plan Layout Tools. Select the desired pipe, fitting, 8x6T, and appurtenance, 6-inch gate valve. Add fitting. Hover over the pipe at the desired location for the fire hydrant T until the Connect glyph appears. Escape. Move label. Escape. Pipes only. Hover over the T until Connect glyph appears and pick. Move in direction of the desired fire hydrant and pick. Escape. Erase label. Enter. Insert gate valve. Add appurtenance. Hover over pipe until Connect glyph appears. Escape. Erase pipe label. Align the fire hydrant. AL enter. Pick the fire hydrant. Enter. Pick the corner where the fire hydrant is to be connected to the pipe. Pick the corresponding corner on the pipe. Pick the other corner of the hydrant. Pick the other corner of the pipe. Enter twice. Escape. Modify the T label. Pick the T label. Move cursor right click. Edit label text. Enter to start a new line. Add 6-inch gate valve. Enter to start a new line and type in fire hydrant. OK. Repeat at other fire hydrant locations. A corp stop is installed at the water main and a water meter is installed at or near the right-of-way line. A heavy-duty minimum 1-inch diameter HDPE pipe with compression joint fittings is installed between the corp stop and the water meter. A heavy-duty HDPE pipe is installed from the meter and connected to the building service line. The water service template is used to assist in the creation of the water service line. CO enter to start the copy command. Pick the water service template. Enter. Base point. Pick insert point. Insert. Pick an existing water meter. Escape. AL enter to start the align command. Pick the template, enter. Pick the base point, pick the center of the water meter. Third point, pick the end point of the template, and pick the end point of the water service line. Enter twice. M enter to start the move command. Pick the template, pick near the template, and with snap off, move the template till the twin circles intersect the property line. Escape. CO enter to start the copy command. Pick the template, enter. Base point, pick the center of one of the twin circles, and for the insert point, pick the right-of-way line at location of existing water services with same orientation. Escape when finished. Repeat for all water services. Construct water service default settings. The top level drawing layer settings. Right-click drawing name. Edit drawing settings. Object layers. The object layers for pressure network parts are currently set for seawater service, appurtenance, fittings, pressure pipe. OK. The pressure network settings. Right-click pressure network. Edit feature settings. Default styles. The default styles are currently set for seawater service, pressure pipe, appurtenance plan label style, seawater meter, pressure pipe plan label style, seawater service, default parts list, seawater service, default name format, pressure network name template, seawater service. OK. Create pressure network for seawater service. Home ribbon, create design panel, pipe network, pressure network creation tools, network name, seawater service, parts list, seawater service, layers, seawater service. Seawater services are not drawn in profile. The profile layers are not critical. OK. Surface name, Ken top surface, alignment name, primary road, Ken crown, pressure pipe label style, seawater service, fitting label style none, appurtenance label style, seawater meter. OK. In a context sensitive ribbon, check that the surface, the alignment, and the parts list are correct. Select 1-inch HDPE. There are no fittings in seawater service, and the appurtenance is water meter. Escape. Determine which side of the existing service line for the installation of the new water service. As shown in the drawing, there is a power pole on the west side of the existing water meter. The new water service pipe needs to be installed on the east side of the existing pipe. In the context-sensitive pressure network layout ribbon, select Pipes Only. Pick the apparent intersection of the seawater pipe with the template right parallel line. Seawater service pipe cannot connect to the seawater pipe. Pick the end point of the straight section of the parallel line just beyond the right-of-way line. C, enter. To start the curved pipe command, pick the end point of the curved pipe. Pick the start point of the reverse curve. Pick the end point of the reverse curve where the new water service pipe will join the existing service pipe. Depress the escape key to stop the water pipe creation. Erase all labels. E, enter. Repeat at all other water service line locations. Insert the water meter in the context-sensitive pressure network plan layout ribbon. Pick Add Pertinence. Hover over pipe until Connect Glyph appears. For some unknown reason, the glyph does not appear. Pick the pipe. Escape. Erase the pipe label. E, enter. Pick the label. Enter. Escape. Pick the pipe on each side of the meter. No glyphs appear at the meter, which means the pipes are connected to the meter. Escape. Pick the meter. Use the center glyph to move the meter to the desired location. Escape. Pick the label. Move the label to the desired location. Escape. Repeat at all other water service locations. Create 3-inch PVC conduit for water service pipe within road pavement areas. Pick an existing water pipe. In the context-sensitive ribbon, Network Properties, Layout Settings, Pressure Pipe Label Style, See Water Conduit. OK. Edit Network, Plan Layout Tools, 8-inch pipe, Pipes Only. Pick the seawater service pipe approximately 2 feet behind curb. Pick seawater service pipe across road approximately 2 feet behind curb. Escape. Pick and move label to the desired location. Escape. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.